Yo, what's up? This is a Naruto review 283, and basically this episode was in particular emotional, had a tone. It was, ahead of the game. It started off with what it left off with. Naruto is persistently trying to get past Raikage, but while doing so, B's like convincing him, we're not only the title of Jinchuriki, but surpasses that limit. That sun, they're like getting a tone of emotion right there, and you can see why Raikage is so overprotective against B, because of the loss of his father, and he had to get the responsibility onto his shoulder, but it was too overprotective. And that's what B's trying to tell him, it was really good. Basically, it comes to a point where, Naruto surpasses, Raikage's speed right now, and he's at the level in which his father is at now, because Raikage said, I came at the intention to kill you, and you're the second to actually outrun my punch. And, that's a good example to show that, probably Naruto is ahead of the game than Raikage is right now, and probably B is ahead of the game than Raikage right now, because he tested two of them to see how strong they were, because B actually flipped over Raikage Leroy, and Naruto actually dodged Raikage, with the speed, the little teleportation I think was into at that speed. But it was a good chapter. Mainly at the end you can see, the summit of the war is suddenly coming back together, and Obito, is at the point, is gonna come out with his new six-pack. Added a little bit of that six-pack with Sharingan eyes. You can see the tail beast forming out and go on the rampage. Yeah, but it's a good episode. As you all know, there's probably gonna be a filler. See much of what's going on with Kakashi and the Swordsman of the Mist. I'm looking forward to that. But it was a good episode, and I really liked it a lot.